Are you creating content for your community but not getting paid for it? We've got a solution. Set up a paid membership or a paid workshop or coaching or a service to sell in under 15 minutes. Introducing MiloTree Easy Payments, the fastest, easiest way to get paid directly from your audience. Here's how it works. Create a MiloTree Easy Payments account, connect it to Stripe, connect it to your email service provider, add your product details, and start selling your offering directly. And while you're at it, make a free sales page using our sales page creator. We even host them for you for free. Manage your customers and subscribers directly from your MiloTree Easy Payments dashboard. And the best part is, there's no monthly fee. We just take a small transaction fee. This way, we only make money when you do. Set up your account now. No monthly fees, no commitments. Serve your audience while tapping into a whole new way to make money. What are you waiting for?